ladies, it's Lil, and today we are going to be thicker than a snicker. Today we are going to be thicker than we were in the last video. Yes, Thick Queen over here wants to be even more thick. Who knew? Me. Alright, but I am basically the avatar that you just come in with. So, let's get on to the video. Alright. As you can see, I am pretty awesome, but we're basically going to do the same thing that we did last time. So I'm going to put on a beret. Actually, I'm going to start with the shirt, pants. I am going to pick out a really cute outfit. I like this one. And then I'm going to pick out a option that's adorable. And I'm going to pick out my usual hair. I'm going to pick out some glasses this time. And then a mask. Oh, you can only add one thing. Sorry. Then I'm going to go to body. The scale is fine. I'm just going to change my face and my skin tone. So this is just me as a normal person. Except for we're missing one thing. We're missing being thicker than a snicker. So, once you go on the heads, I want this head, which is the third one that you can get. I want the woman's torso. And then I want the woman's hand. And, let's just make me, as we would say, just thick. And this is what it looks like when I'm just a little thick. But I need to be thicker. So, now, before I start that, I'm just going to go to my animations. And I'm going to do idle. I'm going to do that one. And this is optional. So, yeah. I'm going to walk like that. I'm going to run like that. I'm going to jump like this, I guess. I'm going to fall like this. And then I'm going to climb like this. I'm going to swim like this. All right? So, now that we have that done, it is time to be thicker than a snicker. Are you ready to rumble? All right. To be thicker than a snicker, you take off every leg. Are you ready? Once I snap my fingers, it will appear. 3, 2, 1. Hey! But yeah, that's how to be thicker than a snicker. I hope you all enjoyed. I know these videos have been short. It's just I want to catch up. I want you guys to be able to do fun stuff with your characters. But yeah, if you all enjoyed, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Share with a friend. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And yeah, that is all that I have for today. I hope you all loved it. Bye, ladies and gents.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.